of you saying no man is going to marry you, no man is going to marry you. Do you think it's every lady that wants to get married? Like, do you think it's actually every lady that wants to get married? Do you think as I am like this now, you get what I need man for? Every time, nobody is going to marry you. Every time, nobody is going to marry you. Nobody is going to marry you. Can you just leave man out of the? Can you just leave man out of the way and just? You guys are literally so annoying. Like, you're just literally so annoying. Every time, man. Can you just drink water and mind your business? You guys cannot just drink water and mind your business. Drink water and mind your business. Not be able. Let me not speak for every other lady. I don't actually need a man. Do you understand? Thank you.
Chaii, auntie, I don't drink water. Auntie, I'm gonna marry. I have drink water and I don't go mind my business. I'm gonna mind my business. I don't go mind my business. Make I drink another water for you. So, hinda himren jiko say, omo wanya ya wula. Amazmo to come wanya ga alwa because time go rusi na muki alwa so muki ibia. Because see this young girl now, this young beautiful lady now here in this video now. Also here are Daisy Jukes. Yeah, now can video where na Facebook. A person my here, mama to share some content on her channel. But a person a girl my here, a responsible lady. Very make content here repent. Just lay up and go Jesus. I don't want a man. I don't go. I'm Mrs. Less. I know you don't want him. Everything's not man. But those things online. I'm not talking small boy. I say ladies small baby and you are a small boy. But you name can him online because they're responsible. When you ask what I ask because we shall blame more poverty. Poverty social in a cause all this nonsense. Because only man he only answer as of my guy is this kind of nonsense. You don't want a man. Okay, which this guy he got like that not to get one. You can't only dig like that to get one. So let's let our generation who go say she not check back and what is wrong with our generation. Green name. He put outside now, little more dress himself, dress na mama. This girl na mama that they go out when I congress because me say if I dress with tell you say she be up. You say go put a good as I can how too much dress. Some dresses somewhere the dress man up can be. Good land this thing, I'm it's a focus move no be. You not touch you, I can send you, you not touch. Make I drink another water for you.